What's happening? What's happening? Let's see what's going on in the shop today. Got some old shop truck upgrades. Woo! Yes, sir. The old rust bucket. Oh yeah, we gonna put some subs in her. We're gonna put them JLs in her, boy. Hold. We're gonna see what she does. We're gonna see what she does. Got that JD 500 by 1. Nice old Kenwood. Yes, sir. Getting them. Never know. You never know what you're gonna see out here. Never know. You know, you should like, subscribe, hit that bell. Like I say, you don't know what we're gonna be working on. Be all honest, man, I don't even know what we're working on every day either. We just come in and do it. It's just one of those things. I'm as confused as the next guy. I'm like a YouTube video. You never know where I'm gonna go. Let's get these guys done. Let's get these speakers mounted. Strip, get them all. Throw a little twisty in them. Not like it does any good, but throw a little twisty in them. And a round side, and a flat side. Round side hot, flat side ground. Good up in there. Look at that. Wow. Good, no, a messy truck. I gotta clean all this stuff out. I'm a shooter, so I guess, you know, got red dot boxes. What's in the can? You might ask. Oh, no, can't look in there. YouTube violation. You know what I'm saying? Bang, bang. Let's go over to the other side so we can get this wire crossed over, chopped in, locked in, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got here. We got all this wire we got to pull out. Try to get that out of there. Give me a little extra to run back so we can tie it in together. Kind of only need a little bit for this guy, but let's test that wire, see where it's at. Four. 4.2 ohms. We definitely want to drop that down to a 2. Oh, watch out, you two. Coming in hot. This is like the boringest thing ever. Watch me clip wire. Oh, you filter. Watch me clip wire. Oh.
I mean, there's a lot of technique there. I'm sure there's some idiot who doesn't know how to clip wire. No, I'm serious.
I doubt they're watching our channel.
You never know.
Well, they aren't now.
I've lost another subscriber.
Dun, dun, dun. Down to 2.
Hit the like button, even if you don't like it. It'll really piss us off if you hit the like button.
That's a good way to make us mad. Hit the like and share.
Yeah, share it with everybody. Tell everybody how terrible we are.
That just makes me want to cry. Oh, Todd's got me all forgotten what I'm doing. Make sure we're at 2. $2.1. Good deal. Perfect. 2 ohms. Todd's got the chocolate swirls going on over there. Okay. Guys, so you can see what I'm doing here. It's a little tight in there, but I'm trying to add these guys right directly on there, and that way I'm not using a push clip so it doesn't fall off or vibrate, and then connect these two and short the amp out. So I got these little tiny guys right here that have to go on the end of this guy when I stick it in there, and that's where our wire will run from this guy to our amp. So it's kind of hard to get you guys in there with me, but this is where we're at on it. I'll try to get this guy in there and center it. Get you up in here so you can see what we got going on here. So there we go, right there. Got them spaced out, pulled apart like this, that way they don't interfere with the magnet. So when we set it down in there, everything will be pushed up out of the way. Slap that JL in there and get some screws into it. Looks good. Got our JLs in there. Now we just got to get them screwed down and get the vents on them, and then run the amp wires. All right, we'll be right back. All right, here we go. Here we go. They're all up in there. 500 by 1. Got the covers on the old JLs. Mine down in there. All right. Turn her on and the old head unit in there. Bam. The old base knob. I still have to mount that guy. I drilled the hole and it's too long, so I got to trim out a little bit of the back panel. But she'll be in there when we're done. Get her. See if we can't get her all hooked up, turned on, make sure everything works.
What the hell's that shit? That's the shit that you said Todd made you buy.
Yeah, that's exactly. Todd made me buy that shit. Could you imagine that?
No.
What do spirits say?